Ay, gipagam yan. Di po kaya?
Number 11 from the 5 to shoot. Roberts, number 11. So number 11, Alano. Pass to number 34, layout. Roberts, number 14. Second throw basket, last throw. Alano, 2 points. Alano from the back. Alano for the turnover. Alano again, layout. Alano for 2. Alano. Alano for 2. First throw basket.